Listen, if you are in your 40s and feels like something is off, even though life looks good on paper, you are not crazy. The statistics among male loneliness, career dissatisfaction, divorce rate, they are staggering. They are really staggering. An average 40.1% men divorce for the first time in their 40s. Men experience more loneliness in their 40s than they have ever experienced before, and it is increasing daily. I hit 42 and suddenly realized that I have no real friends. Most of my friends are just work friends. And I commented on a very famous post on Instagram about how much loneliness men experience in their 40s. And the amount of response I got has been really, really amazing, supportive, but more importantly, worrisome. Introducing Next Gen Brotherhood, a place where men 40 and above will have a space to discuss, to make friendship, and make connection, and really talk about this particular challenge going on in our world today. If you have men 40 years old or older in your friendship, in your circle, and that you want them to be a part of this solution, comment brotherhood below and let's fix this together. Each one, teach one.